these gases, this air is continually exerting pressure on us. The combined weight of all the air molecules directly above any object will exert force, which is referred to as atmospheric pressure. At sea level, this air pressure will be at its maximum point. If we travel higher in the atmosphere, for example, onto a mountain top, the air pressure will be much lower. Summary. Pressure is the force acting on a unit area.
The chapter is pressure, and we can, through the activities we can explain so that children can understand it easily.
You start.
Pressure of solids and liquids. Pressure will increase when the area on which the force is applied decreases. Liquids and gases exert pressure equally in all directions. The pressure of liquids will increase with depth. When we use our hand to press down on a book that's on a table, we are applying pressure to it. Pressure is the force that acts on a unit area. It can be calculated using the equation P is equal to F by A, where P is the...
Maharaj is Srimat Swami Jnanalokananda Maharaj. Okay, and I told you in the morning, Swami looks after Swamiji's house. जहाँ स्वामी जी का जन्म हुआ, जहाँ बड़े हुए, जहाँ कॉलेज में जाते थे, वो रामकृष्ण में बहुत बड़ा सेंटर है लाइब्रेरी, वहाँ स्वामी जी।
When you come to Kolkata, please visit Swamiji's house. What can I say? One watch formula I want to put before you. What is the spelling of this word? Watch, W-A-T-C-H. We have to watch certain points. W stands for word, A stands for action, T for thought, C for character, H for habit. If you watch these things, your character will be just model. So, watch formula, W. Watch means word. What word you are using, it should be taken care of. A for action. What action you are doing? जो काज काम करता है ना वो ठीक काम करना चाहिए A action. T for thoughts. What you thought? You reasonably watch your thoughts. They become your words. Watch your words. They become your action. Watch your action. They become your character. Your habit. Watch your habit, then it will become your character. And then your destiny will be determined. So this watch formula, you should remember, you should keep in mind.
How beautiful that word is. Watch.
You should be watchful.
Remember. I will share it on. मैडम ये फॉर्मूला शेयर करिए, हम लोग सभी बच्चों को भेजेंगे.